Another example, suppose we have a parabola of the equation x squared equals negative 12y. We're to find the focus, the directrix, and the axis of symmetry of the parabola. Then we are to sketch its graph. So we have here the equation in standard form, and obviously the vertex is still at the origin. So from the form, we have either a parabola that is facing upwards or a parabola that is facing downwards. Because we can see that 4a is equal to negative 12. Okay, so it has a negative value, so we can say that it is facing downwards, and a, which refers to the distance from the focus to the vertex or your focal parameter, this is equal to negative 3. Since we have here already the value for a, we can already identify the focus. Okay, so suppose this is your x-axis, suppose this is the y-axis. Okay, sorry. So we know that the vertex is still at the origin. Okay, now the vertex is here at the origin. Okay, and then our focus is 3 units from the origin, so it's the parabola will be facing down, so it's 3 units down. So it will be somewhere here. So suppose this is 3 units down. Now what will be the coordinates? Okay, now let's trace the curve. So your parabola will be facing down. Okay. What will be the coordinates of your focus? It is along which axis? So this is along the y-axis. So the coordinates for your focus will be (0), negative 3. Okay, so the focus will be at 0, negative 3. And then the directrix will be to the other side. So from the vertex, we go 3 units up. So directrix will be somewhere here. Now what will be the equation that defines this line? So which axis are you along? Which point? So it passes through positive 3. Okay, so y is equal to positive 3. Okay, so the focus is at 0, negative 3. The directrix is defined by y equals 3. Okay, take note the directrix will extend infinitesimally. And then now the x-axis, the axis of symmetry. So we simply look at. So we know that your parabola is facing down. So the turning point is at the origin. Okay, so what the axis that somewhat mirrors, serves as the mirror of your parabola is your y-axis. Okay, so your axis of symmetry is the y-axis. Now what again is the equation that represents the y-axis? So we have x equals 0. Okay, that's it. So x squared equals negative 12y. The focal parameter is negative 3 or 3 units down from the vertex. So the vertex is at the origin. Your focus is defined by the point 0, negative 3. The directrix is defined by the line y equals 3 or defined by y equals 3. And your axis of symmetry is x equals 0.